You guys can probably see that very small speck of light in the middle of the paper. It's called the pin projector, and what happened is we used a pin, poked it in the middle of the paper, and then now we're shining it on a different piece of paper. And you can see over here that there's a small speck of light showing. That's the sun. So right now it's a solar eclipse. This is an annular solar eclipse, which means that the moon's not gonna entirely cover the sun, partially gonna cover the sun. So that means only the edges of the sun is visible. Astronomers call it the ring of fire. Okay, so the solar eclipse is about to end. It's been like an hour. We can see according to the shape over here that it's almost the shape of a circle or sun. The crescent is pretty much gone.